Welcome back, YouTube. Here's the surprise I've been talking about. This box is enormous and it doesn't look like it, but it is. It's bigger than me. I'm gonna make an unboxing. It's a Black&Decker 36-volt rechargeable self-propelled lawnmower. That's a mouthful. UPS put it at the back door. I don't know why. Alright, so taking a look inside the box, it's pretty large, and wow, this is pretty big to be in a cardboard box. Well, the tools I have is duck-bill pliers and an adjustable wrench just to be safe. There's the big battery. I'm going to go ahead and pull the battery out. Get that out of my way. This is brand new from HomeDepot.com. Wow. So that should just be able to come right out. This is a very heavy battery. So my next approach will be to take out the bagging thing. Alright. And this handle, actually. Yeah, I'm wondering where the key is. Oh, there's the speed control. Speed control is different than what I imagined. And what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to tether the key to it, even though they tell you not to. It's just something it's really easy to lose because it's a little orange thing. But so I'm going to go ahead and try to yank this thing out. I've been going to the gym, so let's see if it's paid off. Oh, it's not that heavy. Get this handle on the way. That. All right. So, dang. All right. Now if the box would let go. I got it out. Like I said, the gym. I'm going to move the box so you guys can see it. Yeah, it should fit nicely. Alright, let's see what we have to assemble. Hard, I slammed it down on the floor. Alright. What do we have? We've got the charger, the key, and 2 bolts. One type adjustment, which I've really been excited for. The charger, it's a removable battery. Looks like I'm not going to need the thing I thought I was going to need. Okay. I'm going to take a look at the directions. Something this big, I should probably do that. Alright, so they go on the outside, and I can adjust where I want the thing. Oh, I see where they go. Okay. I don't think it should be this way, but whatever. grab something else really quick. Alright, here we go. Now we're going to pop in the other handle. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and some of this side first. This one seems to be a bit more of a pain. Alright, so we're in the bottom notch. Alright, it's nice and tight. Assembly is almost done here. Doesn't seem to be good. Back a little bit. Okay. Do it. Done. Don't know what. Just what I'm doing. Ready. Yeah, I think it's threaded back where why this thing isn't threading in to the hole. It's a little bit weird. Alright, let's see if this thing is meant to be in this hole. Yeah. tighten the other one a little bit more, and then we'll assemble the bagger. I'll snap the battery in. You can see what the entire thing looks like. Alright, nice tight. Snap these fittings in. Alright, perfect. And I want the height on the highest. So not that short. Yeah, so here we go. Yeah. So, wow. Not that heavy. Alright, let's assemble the bagger. We're in 12 minutes here. So, that's it. Probably going to be the last second of the video. Just a few seconds. I'm trying to imagine what the bagger looks like. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I have that backwards too. I'll figure out how to assemble the bagger, but right now it looks like we're out of time. So I'll see you next time, YouTube, and we'll quickly run and look at it. Unboxing of the 36-volt self-propelled Black&Decker lawnmower, 19-inch. Thanks for watching. See you next time.